Look. It's kind of raining pretty bad. Trying to get my camera wet or my arm. Ooh, lightning! Oh look! Put your hand right there. No, try to catch some rain. My face!
What you doing?
No, I'm not gonna shut the door. Candy, go back in your house. Go back in your house. Let's open the door. Son, hold the door open. Go back in your house. Where's your phone? I'm trying to take a video. It's cool. Rain, no. Rain, go away. Come again another day. No, please don't. I need rain. Slap you my phone. Go back in your house. Oh God, even the lake. The lake is wet. Well, of course it's wet. It's water. Oh, it's flooding right there. A little open area. Okay, my phone's getting wet. I can still show it. Oh God, look at the window. What?
Guys, you guys are walking this.
You're gonna get even more sick. It's raining. Oh, the window. Why are you so dirty? Look at it. Poof needs to go back in his house. Crazy dog, I swear. Ooh, grits.
What?
Grits. See?
Oh.
No, don't do that. Hi.